bear with me. Oh, it's morning time in camp. Let's go on a second nature walk. Follow me. Oh, let me shit up my arse. No, your ass. Right, watch this. This is quite tricky here. Oh, it's a bit of a fucking bastard, that one is. It's got me a couple of times. Oh. Quite tired here today. It's quite cold as well, isn't it? In Africa.
Yep.
Hold on a minute. I'm paying you to be my cameraman, not to fucking talk.
It's alright.
Wait. Alright, let's go. God, just, you know, look, be a bit of a Tarzan here. Oh, you bastard. It's alright, I'm okay. I've just hurt my arm a bit. Do you know what? Fucking hell. Come here. I'm gonna fucking have you wet. Yeah, let me get you. Come here. Give me your hand. Give me your fucking hand here. Give me your fucking hand. Come on.
It's alright.
Just get the fuck here now. Do you know what I'm gonna do? If you're not here in 5 seconds, I'm gonna fucking cut your budget. 5, 4, 3. That's what I fucking thought, me. Right, let's go. Oh yes. This is the little bench I made the other day. Oh god. Just a little few cuts there. You know, it'd be fine. Can you see him? It'd be alright. Go on then. I'll just sit down for a minute. Have me breakfast. Oh. Yeah, what can we have today? Have a bit of you? Oh. It's not coming off, that isn't. No. We'll have to go for. Oh, there you are. Cheers, mate. Go find a bit more bark for breakfast. A bit of a, you know, a bit of a raccoon skin that I found. That can go in there. Be a good seed for the frogs. See that fucking bike tyre there? Fucking bastard kids again. Another message for you bastards. I'll kill you after I've killed your fucking families. I will. Right, and this one. This stick's called the Sam stick. We'll leave that there. So let's get up here a bit more. This beauty thing here. Yeah, look, this. In case you didn't know what this is called, it's called a stone. Throw that like that. Hopefully it goes in the brook. Yeah, look, there's a beautiful tree here. Oh. This isn't coming off, this isn't. Oh, fuck off you. And you fucking bastard. Bit of bark here. No, that's not good enough. We'd have to get a bit good and hard up here. Yeah, look. We're gonna have to go up to the top of a tree. Let's walk. Fucking hurry up now. Slow. Oh no, I've just noticed these. Look at these beautiful bastards. Oh, look at that. Look at how thick these are. Come down then, you fucking bastard. You've made me fucking break it now. Get the fuck back up. Oh, can you zoom in on these? Yeah, they're fucking beautiful there. Look at that. Oh, they're beautiful there. Fucking twat. You look, you don't get a boat in. What the fuck are you? Oh yeah, sorry. I forgot you was my cameraman. Anyway, let's go. Oh god. Oh. Put your fucking fucking grabbing onto my trousers for, you twat? Yeah, fucking... Oh, yeah. This is called a gun stick. It looks like a gun, perfectly formed and everything, but look, the bark comes off very easily. Look at all that. I'll get that off now. Oh, my fucking leg. Oh, look. This is quite a strong stick, this is. Just fucking break, you bastard. It broke, but never came to me. No, this isn't good. Shut up, you bastard bears. Alright, anyway, I'll just get up here and find a bit more bark. Oh, this looks like a good tree to climb up. Get a bit of bark from up here. You stay down here, man. It's not safe. Oh, this is a beauty, this one is. This tree is fucking beautiful. Oh, let me just get down and I'll show you. Look at that bark there. Oh, fucking hell, I dropped some. Look at that bark there. How fucking beautiful this is. I could live off this stuff, I love it. Anyway, save this for later. Let's go. Yeah, look man, go through quick. Good boy. I'll get through the manly way. Get out of here. Yeah. So we're gonna go back there tomorrow. I'm just gonna go see my family, you know. Just to catch up with them a bit. I'll go back to my camp tomorrow morning. So I'll see you later. Goodbye.